If your daily routines always seem to get bogged down by messy drawers, cluttered countertops, and overflowing closets, you are definitely not alone. Finding smart, low-profile ways to optimize your living space can completely transform how your household runs every single day. We are looking at some of the most practical and efficient home organization solutions designed to tidy up your spaces and keep your essentials right where you need them. 1. If you are struggling to keep your closet organized and running out of space for clothes, bags, or pantry items, these stackable plastic storage baskets from Meshomly offer a practical solution. This 5-pack of white, foldable closet organizers is designed to maximize your storage space by stacking neatly into drawers or shelves across your wardrobe, pantry, or closet. Each large-size container measures 17 inches long by 13 inches wide and over 7 inches high, featuring a ventilated grid design and an open front structure that allows you to easily view and access your items. These lightweight plastic storage bins can be folded flat to save space when not in use, making them a suitable option for anyone looking to declutter their home storage setup. 2. Dealing with messy, tangled power cords on your kitchen counters can make your workspace feel cluttered and disorganized. The Langcord Cord Organizer for appliances provides a practical way to keep those kitchen appliance wires neatly wrapped and out of sight. This upgraded 8-pack comes with a mix of 4 small and 4 large black holders made of rubber, giving you options to fit various cord sizes in your kitchen. Designed with a self-adhesive backing, these stick-on wire wrappers attach directly onto your appliances, such as mixers, coffee makers, and pressure cookers. This set is a helpful solution for anyone looking to manage appliance cords and maintain tidier countertops. 3. If you are running out of floor space in your bathroom or laundry room, but still need a place to keep dirty clothes and linens out of sight, maximizing vertical storage is a helpful strategy. The Yitahome 53-inch tall tilt-out laundry storage cabinet provides a freestanding solution with a sturdy wooden design made of engineered wood. This black cabinet features a space-saving layout that includes 2 open storage compartments, 1 drawer, and a concealed 10-gallon hidden clothes basket designed to tilt open. Standing at over 53 inches tall, nearly 16 inches wide, and 13 inches deep, it allows you to store towels and cleaning supplies on adjustable shelves while keeping dirty laundry tucked away inside a removable basket. It is a suitable option for anyone wanting to optimize tight spaces and organize their home essentials without sacrificing a neat, uncluttered look. 4. When you are running out of shelf and closet space, but still need a convenient place to store everyday essentials, utilizing the back of your doors can clear up a lot of room. The Wakai Overdoor Organizer provides a simple, space-saving solution designed to hang right behind standard doors in a bedroom, nursery, bathroom, dorm, or pantry. This single-pack, gray fabric organizer features a 5-tier vertical layout capable of supporting up to a 44-pound load. It comes built with deep pockets and a foldable design, making it practical for holding everything from toiletries and diapers to stuffed animals, shoes, and handbags. It is a straightforward option for anyone looking to maximize unused vertical areas and keep small items organized and within easy reach. 5. Finding furniture that fits neatly into tight spots alongside your sofa or bed without making the room feel crowded can be a challenge. The Tribe Signs 3-drawer wooden end table is designed specifically to fill those tight gaps while providing extra storage. This modern walnut sofa side table features a slim, narrow design that functions as a chair side table or a slim nightstand for your living room or bedroom. Built with a fully finished back, it looks presentable from any angle, allowing you to place it freely in the room. The unit comes with 3 integrated storage drawers for keeping your small items tucked away. And since it arrives with no assembly required, you can use it right out of the box. It is a practical choice for anyone wanting to optimize narrow spaces in their home with a functional piece of wooden furniture. 6. Carrying heavy piles of dirty clothes back and forth to the washing machine can be an exhausting chore that leaves your space looking messy. The Oldide 150-liter laundry basket with wheels offers a mobile rolling hamper solution to help you manage large loads of dirty clothes. This white laundry cart is constructed with a sturdy metal frame and includes a removable bag with a built-in cloth cover to keep your items concealed. Designed for both functionality and an aesthetic look in your bedroom or laundry room, it features smoothly gliding wheels that allow you to roll your laundry from room to room with minimal effort. This large capacity organizer is a practical option for families, individuals, or anyone looking to streamline their laundry routine and maintain a tidier home environment. 7. Seasonal clothing, extra blankets, and bulky pillows can quickly take over your closet, leaving you with very little space for your daily wardrobe. The HomeHacks Storage 3-Pack Clothes Organizer offers a practical way to sort and pack away these items neatly. This set of 3 35-liter gray storage bags functions as a foldable storage box system designed for use in closets or dorm rooms. Each bag is built with sturdy handles on the sides for easier carrying and features a large clear window on the front so you can see exactly what is inside without opening it up. These fabric containers are a straightforward option for anyone looking to declutter their living space, store extra bedding, and keep their home more organized. 8. Keeping your designer handbags, wallets, and collectible items piled up in a closet can cause them to lose their shape and get covered in dust. The Meshomly Purse Organizer for Closet provides a clear, protective storage solution to keep your accessories neatly arranged and on display. This 3-pack of transparent acrylic display cases features a stackable bag organizer design with a convenient magnetic door, allowing you to easily access your items while keeping them dustproof. Made from clear acrylic, these sturdy boxes are designed to hold wallets, clutches, figures, or toys, keeping everything visible from the outside. It is a practical option for anyone looking to organize their closet space while turning their favorite accessories into a neat, structured home display. 9. When you run out of closet space or need an easy way to organize your daily outfits, finding extra room for your wardrobe can be a challenge. The Laenzia Double Rods Garment Rack with Wheels offers a mobile, multifunctional storage solution designed to hang coats, shirts, pants, and long dresses. This black metal clothing rack features a unique high-low double rod layout, built-in side hooks for hanging hats, scarves, or bags, and a bottom shelf that accommodates shoes and storage boxes. Measuring nearly 40 inches wide and over 66 inches high, it is equipped with smoothly rotating wheels that allow you to roll your wardrobe between your bedroom, laundry room, or entryway. It is a practical option for anyone looking to maximize their clothing storage setup with a portable, space-saving layout. 10. When you have family or guests constantly coming and going, piles of shoes scattered around your entryway can quickly make your front door area look cluttered and untidy. The Nova Mason Shoe Cabinet Storage for Entryway provides a sleek, hidden storage solution to keep your footwear organized and out of sight. This freestanding white organizer is constructed from engineered wood and metal, featuring a space-saving design with 3 flip drawers that pull open to neatly store your shoes. Measuring 39 inches wide, 46 inches high, and 9 inches deep, this dustproof cabinet fits smoothly against the wall in narrow entryways or hallways without blocking your walking paths. It is a practical option for anyone wanting to maintain a clean, organized entryway while keeping their daily footwear easily accessible, yet completely tucked away. 11. Trying to keep your linen closet organized when bulky bedding, duvet covers, and blankets constantly unfold and create a messy pile can be highly frustrating. The Storagetastic 4-Pack Bedsheet Closet. Organizers and storage containers offer a simple, structured way to keep your linens neatly packed away. This 4-pack of gray, sturdy, foldable storage containers is specifically designed for storage and organization of bedding sheets, duvet covers, and blankets. Each bin is built with a convenient viewing window so you can easily see what is inside, along with an integrated label slot to identify your queen or king sheets at a glance. Made with a foldable design that saves space when empty, these fabric storage organizers are a practical option for anyone looking to declutter their closets and keep their home linens perfectly packed and sorted. 12. When your closet is packed with jeans, trousers, and skirts, standard hangers can quickly crowd your clothing rods and leave your wardrobe looking messy and disorganized. The Kalimdor Pants Hangers. 2-pack offers a practical, space-saving metal closet organizer designed to help you reclaim your storage space. This set of 2 multi-layer hangers is built from durable stainless steel and white ABS plastic, featuring a heavy-duty, foldable design that can hang up to 5 pairs of jeans, trousers, or scarves on a single unit. Each tier is constructed with an anti-slip design to keep your garments securely in place and prevent them from sliding off. Measuring over 14 inches long and 9.5 inches high, These ready-to-use organizers are a straightforward option for anyone looking to maximize their closet capacity, minimize wrinkles, and maintain a tidier wardrobe. 13. Rummaging through a messy drawer full of tangled socks, undergarments, and small accessories can make your morning routine feel rushed and disorganized. The Ms. Shumley Underwear Organizer for Closet provides a structured, clear solution to keep your smaller clothing items neatly sorted and visible. This 24-cell stackable closet organizer features an integrated storage drawer with removable dividers, allowing you to customize the space for your specific needs. Made from fully clear, dust-proof PET material, it is designed with a slide-out mechanism that gives you easy access to your items while keeping them protected. This transparent organizer box is a practical option for anyone looking to declutter their wardrobe and neatly store underwear, socks, bras, ties, scarves, or baby clothes. 14. Finding a neat way to store stray blankets, nursery items, and children's toys can be a challenge when you want to keep your living spaces uncluttered. The Oyahomi Large Blanket Basket offers a spacious, decorative storage solution designed to tidy up your home. This rectangular woven basket features a gradient yellow color scheme and measures 22 inches long, 17 inches wide, and 12 inches high. Built with practical integrated handles for easier carrying, it is constructed from woven material to serve as a soft yet sturdy container for pillows, laundry, or toy storage. It is a suitable option for parents, homeowners, or anyone looking to organize their nursery, bedroom, or living room with a functional and reliable home organizer. 15. When stacks of folded clothes, towels, or blankets constantly lean over and create a messy pile, keeping your closet shelves orderly can feel like an endless struggle. The Aoloa Acrylic Clear Closet Shelf Dividers offer a simple way to maximize your closet storage space and keep your items separated. This 6-piece set is crafted from thick, high-quality clear acrylic, providing a clean look that matches all types of clothes while keeping your storage neat. Designed with an easy clip-on mechanism, these separators slide directly onto your shelves with no tools required for installation or removal, and they feature round, smooth corners to prevent scraping. They are a practical option for anyone looking to organize wooden or vertical shelves across a bedroom, kitchen, pantry, or office. 16. When loose papers, magazines, and file folders start piling up across your workspace, keeping your desk neat and your important documents easy to find can become a real challenge. The Levin Collapsible Magazine File Holder and Desk Organizer provides a practical way to manage your desktop clutter and keep your files sorted. Made from dark gray high-impact polystyrene, this lightweight and sturdy organizer features 4 vertical compartments designed for easy access and quick storage. The unit is built with a flexible, collapsible design, which means you can choose to use 1, 2, 3, or all 4 compartments at a time, or fold it down completely to save space when it is not needed. Measuring 13 inches wide, 10 inches deep, and nearly 11 inches high, it is a straightforward option for anyone looking to bring structure and clean organization to their office, school, or home workspace. 17. When multiple toothbrushes and messy toothpaste tubes clutter up your bathroom countertop, keeping your sink area clean and organized can become a daily challenge. The Vienufin Wall Mounted toothbrush holder with toothpaste dispenser provides a functional 4-in-1 bathroom storage solution to keep your daily essentials in one spot. This gray and white organizer is constructed from durable ABS and polycarbonate plastic, featuring 5 dedicated slots to hang your family's toothbrushes alongside 4 included rinsing cups. It is equipped with 2 built-in automatic toothpaste dispensers that use vacuum pump technology to dispense paste directly onto your brush, helping to minimize waste from the tube. Measuring just over 10 inches long, 3 inches wide, and nearly 7 inches high, this wall-mounted storage set is a suitable option for parents and anyone looking to tidy up their vanity space and simplify their morning routine. 18. When you are working at your desk, applying makeup, or relaxing in bed, small pieces of trash like tissues, lint, and wrappers can easily pile up and create a messy surface. The Mongtinglu Mini Trash Can with lid offers a compact, low-profile waste disposal solution right at your fingertips. This half-gallon white garbage bin is constructed from durable, high-density polyethylene and features a practical press-top opening mechanism that pops the lid open with a simple click. Designed specifically for indoor spaces like bathroom counters, office desks, kitchens, and vanity tables, it includes a removable small garbage can designed to make emptying your waste straightforward and hassle-free. It is a suitable option for anyone looking to maintain a tidy tabletop and keep everyday disposal items hidden away in a neat, tiny wastebasket. 19. When your countertops are crowded with perfume, makeup, and skincare bottles, finding extra space to keep your daily items neatly arranged can become a real hassle. The UpSimple's acrylic shelves for bathroom storage offer a transparent, floating wall organizer design to clear up your counter space. This 4-pack of clear 15-inch floating shelves is designed to mount securely to the wall, making it a functional choice for holding toiletries, cosmetics, or even functioning as a kid's bookshelf. Made from clear acrylic to complement your existing room setup, these shelves allow you to display and see your items easily across your bathroom, bedroom, nursery, or living room. It is a practical option for anyone looking to maximize unused wall areas and add clean, accessible storage to their home decor. 20. When out-of-season clothing, heavy comforters, and extra blankets begin to take over your shelves, finding a place to store them without cluttering your main closet can be a difficult task. The Vailando side-supported underbed storage containers offer a low-profile solution designed to make use of the empty space beneath your bed frame. This beige 2-pack features 60-liter storage bins constructed from a linen and polypropylene blend, built with structured sidewalls and sturdy fabric handles to make pulling them out from under the furniture straightforward. Standing at 6 inches tall, these foldable containers keep your seasonal items and bedding organized and neatly tucked away out of sight. It is a practical option for anyone looking to maximize their hidden floor space, declutter their bedroom setup, and keep extra linens protected yet easily accessible. All of the product links can be found right down in the video description below, but please only consider picking them up if they genuinely fit your home's needs and storage setup. As a quick heads up, those are affiliate links, meaning I earn a small commission if you use them to make a purchase, though it doesn't cost you anything extra. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.